Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Stethoscope. Number 5, MDF Single Head Lightweight Stethoscope. Discontinued color, handcrafted since 1971, lifetime warranty, free parts for life program. Economy single head stethoscope greater than slim head, fits easily under cuff for taking blood pressure. Lightweight, high sound performance. Patented safety lock tip adapters are non-invasive and leads the industry in user safety. Custom fitted, more than a foot headset adjusts to your specifications. Number 4, Diagnostic 655 Amplifying Stethoscope. Diaphragm-only type chest piece fabricated from lightweight acrylic provides up to twice the amplific. No electronics to malfunction, no batteries to wear out. Lightweight scope is neither bulky nor awkward to use. Stainless steel binaurals with double leaf internal spring fixed at 15 degrees angle for greater comfort. Eight printed designer diaphragms included for personalizing. Number 3, Dual Head Stethoscope for Medical and Home by Fricare. Safety promise. Fricare Professional Stethoscope is strictly clinically tested and certified. Versatile design, turntable chest piece and thick tubing provide you the flexibility to hear a full range. Durable tube, latex-free, matte finish tubing can resist stains and oil, very easy to keep clean. Valuable kit, comes with a tips replacement, extra diaphragm, name tag and detailed user manual. Get IT risk-free, 2-year basic service guarantee plus lifetime warranty can be easily got. Number 2, Spectrum Stethoscopes, Medical, Doctor. Solid construction, our Navy stethoscope charms are fabricated from premium stainless steel material, combining lightweight. The pediatric stethoscope/infant stethoscope offered by Spectrum are lightweight to use and carry around. Love your stethoscope. The compact classic stethoscope medical is the perfect instrument for clinicians who monitor. Tunable diaphragm, use this nurse stethoscope to hear high or low frequency sounds by slightly adjusting the pressure. Customer-centric, as a premium brand, we adhere to the best product delivery and the most uncompromising quality. Number 1, 3M Littman Cardiology for Diagnostic Stethoscope. Diagnose and make decisions with confidence. Hear subtle changes in patient status. useful in critical care and challenging environments such as the ED. ECU, cardiac ECU, step-down unit and other dynamic locations. Seven-year warranty. Ergonomic and high-profile construction, 40% larger chest piece and 60% deeper bell than the 3M Lippmann Classic.